Hang. Oh yeah, come get me, nigga.
Oh yeah, he looking at me like, yeah, come here, boy.
Oh yeah.
Come here so I can kick your ass.
Run back? Oh yeah, he got it.
Oh yeah, he gone. Yeah, he out.
Nah, nigga play with the
I wouldn't follow a dirt bike, bro, because you could go anywhere, bro. You know how easy it is to leave the cops on a dirt bike, my
Some
nigga?
niggas be panicking though, okay?
Yeah, if you panic, it's clips.
Nah, nigga gone.
Wait, he out already. Look, he just proved my point. Look at that.
Bro, what the fuck?
Trooper Will Cash was nearby and spotted the biker as he fled through a parking lot and onto the main road.
Oh shit, they didn't lose visuals. Another cop saw him and caught on. Oh yeah, he thought it was over? Nah, bro, it's not over. Oh, they hit him.
Yeah, they bogus. Nigga, they judges niggas.
Look, this is what I'm talking about. You could dip off in a dirt bike. Look, he gone.
Yeah, he got on the highway, bro. This nigga gotta be fucking dumb, bro.
White lie,
This nigga think he
me personally, as a cop, I wouldn't do that shit. Oh, he telling them to rush up. He like, what are you doing? He could swerve him either way.
Yeah, he can come back from the highway. Yeah, he good.
Oh, this nigga is flooring that shit. Damn. Bro, but he keep playing with them, bro. Oh!
Yep, get that.
Get that on camera. Get that on camera. Get that on camera.
Give me that shit.
Yo, clip that. Yeah, he gone. Wait, why is this nigga slowing down?
Bro, he nigga on a bike game. That shit goes 60. Yeah, no, he can go right here. Yeah. Se metió el loco, no podía doblar.
Oh, U-turn? Later!
Officers pursued him through an open field until the biker slipped between a fence and